door. No one else was home last night. It must have been a cat's big fight. Oh, who knocked the vase down? Who left muddy tracks all over town? It must have been a sneaky little cat, leaving clues just like that. There's a hairball on my chair and my urn's gone. It's not there, no one touched it, that's a fact. It must have been a cat's attack. Oh, who stole the tuna fish? Who left paw prints on my dish? It must have been a hungry little cat, no one else would do just that. The curtains sway, but there's no breeze. A shadow leaps with perfect ease. It must have been